So in this video I'm going to show you how you can pair from the hard reset of your OPPO Enco Air 3. So all we have to do is just to remove this earbuds from the charging case, and then we have to click and hold on the arena, on the touch arena, so it's located right here. So click and hold, and we have to keep holding them for like 15 seconds. There we go. As you can see right now, we pair from the reset. We've got the new pairing, so we are not connected anymore right here. And that's how we can do this. That's all for this video. Hope you like it.